Hello, Cape Crusader. This is Grampy Mark, and I've been working with Alfred in the workshop and been building Batman a secret box. Has a removable lid and is shaped just like the cool Batman logo. It's also got a secret. With this magnetic key, you can place it on the lid, you fill the magnet, and if you turn the key while it's on the box a quarter of a turn, nice and slow, see that quarter of a turn, and lift it straight off, your Batman box is now locked. The lid will not come off. How do you get to your secret contents? Put the key with the Batman logo at a quarter of a turn, see the magnets will tell you where it is, and turn it back counterclockwise till it's nice and lined up. You'll also probably hear a couple clicks inside. Once you do that, your lid comes right off. So, trusting you to keep the box safe and enjoy just as Batman would. Enjoy.